Hi there, Anne Marie here of That Girl Organizes. So I've heard a lot of buzz about the new Netflix series on organizing, and it's causing a lot of overwhelm and grief for people. So I'll tell you what, I am your local organizer. I am in Naperville, and I travel up to an hour and 15 minutes to help my clients organize according to their learning style, to help them achieve just overall fulfillment and excitement about their home, their spaces. Hey, Candy. And I will help you get there. I love this series, but a lot of people are feeling like, holy crap, that is a lot of work to do. I'm not taking off a week of work to take care of this. I'm just going to live like this in anxiety, depression, aggravation. It doesn't have to be that way. I am here to help you. My team is here to help you. Yesterday, I was just helping a woman. One of my girls and I were there in Elmhurst, and her family they have stuff going on. Everyone has stuff going on. You have a few kids, you have 2 jobs, you have a lot going on, and you just don't have time to take care of things. Time to rip apart your closet, decide what you absolutely love, decide what fits, take all the donations away. I do that for you. I take away that pain for you. And after I was at her house 2 weeks ago, her husband kept saying, honey, I have never seen you happier. I can't believe this is what made you so happy. She's like, sweetheart, my kitchen is perfect. I know where everything is. She labeled everything so I can find it because I'm very visual. I love it. Yesterday we took care of a closet and a little bit of an attic space. She's in love. She can get dressed this morning, get ready for work in a couple minutes flat. It just makes life easier. So if you don't want to follow the Netflix series or it's a little much for you, call That Girl Organizes. I'm Anne Marie Gunther of That Girl Organizes. Don't forget, get organized, stay organized. And be sure to follow and like my Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You will get tips about 4 or 5 days a week. It's free. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.